we are going to solving following simultaneous equation step by step. Number 7. Please note that you will get number 1 to 6 in previous video. If you want, you can watch first that videos. Now, number 7, 3x minus y equals to 11 and 3x minus 5y equals to 7. First, we have to leveling this one. It means 3x minus y equals to 11, which is equation 1, and then 3x minus 5y equals to 7, which is equation 2. So these kinds of equation, first we have to remove or omit, or we have to eliminate any variable. Now look, here is x and coefficient is y, and similar variable x and coefficient 3. So this case, if we are subtract each other, like subtract equation 1 and 2. This case, look, 3x minus y equals to 11 and 3x minus 5y equals to 7. This case, second equation, the sign will be changed. It means this is minus, this is plus, and this is minus. This case, plus 3x minus 3x will be removed, and this case plus 5y and minus y, it will be 4y, and 11 minus 7 will be 4. So this case we can say y equals to 4 by 4. It means we are dividing both sides by 4. So 4 divided 4, it will be 1. So our answer is 1. But this is for y. And this one, if we put any equation 1 or 2, we will get the result of equation, we will get the result of x. So we can write like this, putting y equals to 1 into equation, let's say it will be, suppose, equation 1. Okay, so here is 3x minus y equals to 11, then 3x minus y means 1 equals to 11. Now we will add both sides by 1. So in this case, 3x equals to 11 plus 1. Then 3x equals to 1 plus 11, it will be 12. Now we are dividing both sides by 3. So x equals to 12 by 3, it means 4. Okay, so y equals to 1, x equals to 4. So our answer, x, y equals to, x means 4 and y means 1. Very simple. So have any question? If yes, please write a line in the comment section. So number 7 done. Number 8. Here is 2x plus y equals to 6. We can leveling, we can say this one is equation 1, and 3x plus 2y equals to 10. It will be equation 2. Right? Now we have to do something, like here is 2x and here is 3x, and here is plus y and here is plus 2y. So if we want to eliminate any variable, we have to multiply something for making similar. Like here is 2x plus y. If we multiply this equation by 2, it will become 4x then plus 2y equals to 12. Right? So here is a plus 2y and here is a plus 2y. So once we subtract each other, we will get only x. So we can do like this, multiply equation 1 by 2, then subtract with equation what? Equation 2. So this 2x will become, once we multiply, it will become 4x then plus 2y equals to 12, right? And this one is will be unchanged, equation 2, 3x plus 2y equals to 10, right? Now we will subtract. Subtract means second equation all sign will be changed. So this case plus 2y minus 2y out, 4x minus 3x it will be x, and 12 minus 10 it will be 2. So this is our one part where we get x equals to 2. Now any equation we put this value, and this case we will get the value of y, right? So we can use equation 1. Equation we can write putting x equals to 2 into equation 1. So this case 2x plus y equals to 6, right? And then 2 times x means 2 plus y equals to 6. Then 2 times 2 is a 4 plus y equals to 6. Then here is a y, 6, 4 will be exchanged, or we can say we can subtract both sides by 4. So 6 minus 4. Then y equals to 6 minus 4 means 2. So what is happening in here? Answer, it will be x, y, here is a 2 and 2. This is our answer. So I am trying to solve a 2 math based on simultaneous equation, which is very important for any kinds of examination around the world. But it's especially very important for grade 9 to 10 and IGCSE. But it also common in all exam. So no more today. Please subscribe my channel, which is MathJip, and from today 2026 will be a start. I hope this year will be grateful for everybody. Thank you.